An essential part in learning to become proficient when it comes to using a computer is to learn the right click. The term right click refers to the button found on the right side of a mouse with two or more buttons. Generally, if you're right-handed, you'll click the left button on the mouse the majority of the time with your right index finger. This is the mouse's main or primary button that allows you to select items, double-click things, or even fire lasers at enemies in video games. But both the Mac operating system and most of the applications you'll use have special shortcuts and menus that will appear when you right-click items with the right mouse button. For example, in a previous movie, we saw that you can empty the trash by choosing Finder, Empty Trash. But another way to do it is to simply right-click on the trash icon, which opens up a menu, and from here I can choose to either open the folder, or I can choose Empty Trash. Or right-clicking on my desktop reveals shortcuts for creating a new folder, for changing my background, and several other options. The point is that you should learn to try right-clicking things just to see what goodies software designers may have hidden. Oftentimes you'll find shortcuts and commands to actions that may otherwise involve navigating through several menus or dialog boxes. Now, depending on your Mac, your mouse may or may not support right-clicking, and even if it does, that action may be turned off by default. You can check by going to the Apple menu and choosing System Preferences, and then clicking Mouse. If you have an Apple mouse that supports right-clicking, you'll see menus surrounding a picture of the mouse. You'll want to set the right menu to Secondary Button. Incidentally, this is where you would come to reverse the mouse button actions if you're left-handed, in which case you would make the right mouse button your primary button and the left mouse button your secondary button. But I'm right-handed, so I'm going to switch those back. I'll go ahead and close this. Now, if you only have a single button mouse, or if you're using a notebook Mac without an external mouse, you can also activate right-click actions by holding down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking. Doing so is the equivalent of right-clicking, and you'll see the same menus and options appear as if you right-clicked. So that's all I really wanted to mention in this movie, but it's really a very important concept to learn. Just take some time when working in various applications to right-click on a few things and see what options might be available. More often than not, you'll find and learn some great time-saving shortcuts.